While you may only mop your floors and steam your carpets every so often, there's no escaping the need for regular vacuuming. A quality upright vacuum will tackle dust, dirt, and debris that collects in all the areas of your home, since it's compatible with multiple flooring types, is lightweight, and comes with a variety of attachments, including the beloved crevice tool. There are numerous options for cheap best upright vacuums, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best upright vacuums from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hoover Complete Performance Bagged Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Hoover Complete Performance Bagged Upright Vacuum boasts powerful suction with a smooth and sturdy design. While it's slightly bulky and takes a little elbow grease to manage on stairs, this upright vacuum is our top pick because it cleans well on carpet and hard floors, plus furniture. It picked up floor debris in just 2 passes and removed hair from our upholstered chair in 2 swipes. Scoring 5 stars for effectiveness, it's truly hard to beat this vacuum's cleaning power. We also appreciated the HEPA system, which traps dust, small particles, and potential allergens. Even if you're used to the now more common dustbin, you'll likely have no trouble emptying this vacuum's bags, since you can drop them straight into your trash can. Notably, our tester gave the emptying process a 5-star rating, since it's simple and won't make a mess. You don't ever have to come in contact with the debris you suctioned up, a real perk for those with allergies or pets. The vacuum comes with a 25-foot power cord, so you shouldn't have to use multiple outlets to clean a single room, either. We also like that it has a 15-inch cleaning path, an extendable hose that can reach up to 8 feet, and handy attachments, including a crevice tool and pet brush. Ultimately, this upright vacuum is easy to use, effective, and efficient, especially given its lower price tag. Number 2. Dirt Devil Endura Reach Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. For households that are sticking to a budget, we recommend the Dirt Devil Endura Reach Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Our tester called this vacuum fairly powerful, noting that it picked up the materials in about 3 passes across all surfaces. While it was quite noisy when doing so, the testing team said the noise level matched the power of the vacuum before giving it a 4-star rating for cleaning effectiveness. Notably, this vacuum also proved to be lightweight, weighing just 9 pounds, which made it very easy to push around. Now, the location of the dustbin makes for slightly awkward turning. However, this vac has a washable, reusable filter and comes with attachments such as a crevice tool and dusting brush, so you can clean every nook and cranny of your home. The instructions are a bit unclear, so it took our tester around 5 minutes to assemble this vac, which led to a 3.5-star rating for setup. The 1.9-quart dustbin can collect a lot at once, though, making this pick efficient in addition to affordable. Number 3. Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Dyson vacuums are typically on the expensive side, and the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Upright Vacuum is no exception. However, it is a solid investment, as this vacuum features a self-adjusting cleaning head that works notably well on hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, carpet, rugs, and more. Plus, the ball feature lowers this upright vacuum's center of gravity, making it all the more stable and easy to maneuver. We also appreciate that it uses HEPA filtration to capture allergens. Point 1 is for attachments. You'll receive a stair tool, a combo tool, and an extension wand for the hose. We didn't test this pick at the lab, but our home tester noted that the assembly process does require a bit of help from the detailed instructions. While they skipped out on the manual, they did note that it's a lot easier to follow along with it and read through the safety guidelines, too. The transparent dirt canister contains Dyson's signature cyclone assembly, advanced radial root cyclone technology, to be exact, organized radially around a washable filter, said our tester. The design directs airflow in a way that maximizes suction and also, importantly, looks like an upturned futuristic bundt cake pan. Our tester was most impressed with its ability to pick up cat hair, but did recommend that you keep an eye on the dustbin to ensure it doesn't fill up too much. Debris got wedged in with the filter system and became a bit hard to remove. Number 4. Shark Navigator Self-Cleaning Brushroll Pet Pro Upright Vacuum. The Shark Navigator 0M Pet Pro Upright Vacuum impressed our tester with its effectiveness on all flooring types. This vacuum has an innovative swivel head, which allows it to fit into hard-to-reach corners and under furniture, and a 25-foot power cord, so you can easily vacuum a large room without needing to switch power sources. Our tester said this vacuum easily cleaned all carpet lengths while operating in carpet mode, and also picked up pet kibble with no issues on hard flooring. This vacuum also has the 0M self-cleaning brush roll, which ensures you experience non-stop hair removal in your home without having to worry about the debris damaging your vacuum's long-term performance. Our tester noted that, though this vacuum tackled hair without any issues, it was difficult to remove the hair from the dustbin. She had to reach into the bin to clean it with her hands. Though this vacuum promises to be anti-allergen and has a HEPA filter, we wish there was a more effective way of emptying the dustbin. This vacuum is also relatively heavy, so we don't recommend trying to use it on a flight of stairs. However, the 12-foot extension hose should offer plenty of extra length for cleaning stairs, shelves, and dusting picture frames. All in all, our tester said this vacuum is a great option for pet owners who need a reliable motorized brush head that won't have hair wrap issues after a few uses. Number 5. Tineco Floor 1S3 Cordless Floor Cleaner. If you're in the market for a cleaning tool that makes your life easier, opt for a cordless wet-dry vacuum that completes 2 cleaning tasks at once, like the Tineco Floor 1S3. While it's not ideal for high-pile carpets and rugs, our testers awarded this upright vac a 5-star rating for effectiveness on hard floors. It was tested on low, medium, and high-pile carpets in the lab. We ultimately confirmed that this vacuum truly is only designed for hard floors. Trouble totally ensued the moment this pick hit the carpet, as our team received a lot of error messages. However, on the hardwood, this vacuum was a total pleasure to use. Our tester noted that you can easily have a conversation while it's running because it's so quiet. In addition, the Floor 1S3 features smart sensor technology that detects wet and dry messes on your floor and adjusts suction accordingly. While it's more expensive than others, it can run for 35 minutes on a full charge, which will also make an afternoon of cleaning more streamlined. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.